Hi guys, my name is Armin. I'm the White Glove Sommelier, and this is because when I was 2 weeks ago in the supermarket explaining how difficult it is to find a wine if you have no clue about wine, then some people said, oh, you're the White Glove Sommelier. So could you please give me an information what kind of wine would match with what kind of food? And I said, that's not so difficult. Yeah, but I have no clue. Okay, so whenever you have now a meal and you need the wine for it, just give me a call under 076 33 777 22, and then I will explain you which wine you could take for this meal. But generally speaking, if you have a clue about the grapes, if you have a clue about that, then it's much easier. And in 2 weeks we will start a wine education course in the evening online. You will each evening learn about 2 kinds of grapes, and then after 10 evenings you have a very good solid knowledge, and then it's not so possible. Today we have a lovely pasta with the green asparagus sauce and the shrimps in it, and this matches perfectly with a Spanish Albarino. This wine is coming from a region from Rías Bajas, which is near to the Atlantic Ocean. It is fermented in steel, has a very lovely acidity, very good matching to the food, and the aromas, very much fruit, a little bit mango, a little bit peach, and acacia honey. And if you have it in the mouth, first a little bit sweetness and the acidity, and this matches very good with this meal. So whenever you have a question about wine, give me a call, and if you are interested in joining our online course, give me a call and then go to the next level. Cheers!